What's going on, guys? I'm Anders, your good friend Fury Pixel. Today I'm gonna do an overview of the TESORO Gram Spectrum RGB mechanical gaming keyboard. So without further ado, let's get started. First off, I'm gonna talk about the keyboard design. And that is because TESORO did such great job on it, creating a super thin keyboard with an ergonomic and modern shapes. This keyboard surprised me of how bright it is, thanks to its keycaps, which are just 6.2 millimeters, about half of the size of a standard keycap. The keyboard is made with plastic keycaps and a solid iron face plate. Unfortunately, the keyboard does not include growth for cable management, but that is something can be definitely improved in future. This keyboard is available in two colors, black and white, and you can choose between red and blue key switches. And it comes with a quick start guide and one braided cable. This cable is a USB to mini USB, and I can say that I'm in love with the white version. Now, before do the sound test of these keyboards, I want to mention that the keyboard it's using TESORO Agile switches that have a short travel distance of 3.5 millimeters and an actuation distance of 1.5 millimeters, making it perfect for gamers. Let's start the sound test with the blue switches. Now let's change to the red switches. There's two ways to set up this keyboard. The first one is through the software. You can set up to 5 profiles and choose between 7 lighting effects. From the ones we have trigger, ripple, firework, radiation, breathing, rainbow wave, and spectrum colors. In the spectrum colors, you can set up the shine effect, breathing, and trigger, and you will be able to manually set up the color of every single keycap with up to 16.8 million colors. Once you finish to set up your profiles, you will be able to export it and import in another computer in case you want, and in case you need it, you also can restart all the configuration of your keyboard. You can also set up the keyboard on the board itself using the function key to select the profiles, the lock key, PC and gaming mode, the multimedia keys, lighting effect, the lighting intensity, and even set up macros. Overall, I can say that I like the keyboard, especially the white version, and there isn't enough I can say to portray my feelings about this keyboard. I really like it, and I can say that I recommend it. And that was my overview of the TESORO Gram Spectrum keyboard. Let me know if you like it on the comment section below. And remember, guys, if you like the video, don't forget to show your support by giving that thumbs up, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. On that way you won't miss any of my future videos and content. And your good friend Fury Pixel, see you next time.